One of the two equations in a linear system is 2x plus 6y equals 10. The system has no solution. Which of the following could be the other equation in that system? So a system of linear equations with no solution means that those lines are parallel. Now, to tell that lines are parallel, you look at the slopes. The slopes must be the same. We gotta have the same slope, and we gotta have different y-intercepts. So we can't read slope directly from this equation because it's in standard form. We've got to convert it to slope-intercept form. What does that mean? That means we got to isolate y, get y to be by itself, in other words. So let's start off by subtracting 2x from both sides. And then we're going to end up with 6y equals negative 2x plus 10. Then you're going to divide both sides by 6 all the way through. We're not really too concerned about the y-intercept. We're focusing on slope. So we end up having negative 1/3 x plus 5/3. But again, our emphasis is the slope because that's what matters here. Now, which of these answers has a slope of negative 1/3 as well? So quick math here. If you try to get y by itself in this first equation, you would subtract x from both sides. So you would have 3y equals negative x plus 5. You would divide everything by positive 3. And then you'd have x equals negative 1/3 x plus 5/3. Plus 5/3. But you notice that equation is the same exact equation as the one we found from the first equation. You don't want them to be exactly the same. The slopes must be the same, the y-intercepts must be different, so it can't be that answer. So let's try working on B. To isolate y, once again, subtract x from both sides. Then we end up having 3y equals negative x minus 20. Divide everything by 3. So y equals negative 1/3 x minus 20 over 3. Do we have the same slope as the original? We sure do. Negative 1/3, negative 1/3. Are the y-intercepts different? They are. So the answer has got to be B.